the infamous Lulu Buffett's restaurant. For those of you who maybe didn't know, Lulu is actually Lulu Buffett, Jimmy Buffett's sister. So if you think this place is similar to Margaritaville, you are correct. And I'm sure there are a lot of Easter eggs in Lulu's restaurant that throw back to Jimmy's restaurant, Margaritaville. And this restaurant isn't unique just to North Myrtle Beach. There are other Lulu's restaurants. There's a map up here that actually says that there's one in North Myrtle Beach, of course, where we are, Destin, Florida, and Gulf Shores, Alabama. They're not open yet. They do have a gift shop though. Maybe we'll poke in there. They have an exterior bar. It's hard to see maybe through those windows, but the intracoastal waterway's out there. So if you eat here, you get a nice view of the waterway. Ooh, look at this over here. Let's take a look at this. There's a beach-esque setup with some sand and some chairs and umbrellas. I'm guessing probably some cornhole and other silly bar-type games. There's the bar, by the way. All open air. Stage for music. Of course, you gotta have music if it's a Buffett establishment. So this appears to be probably like a folk art fountain. It doesn't look like it's operating yet. Giant sand castle. And there's the waterway over there. Look at this, there's even a box of beach toys. Oh, look at that cornhole back there. Knew it. Called it. So it looks like you could theoretically get a bunch of drinks from the bar, come over here, build yourself a sand castle, play in the sand, play some cornhole, and enjoy the boats that come by on the waterway. Yeah, check out these chairs. See, Lulu's. They got the little pink stripe on it. If you look inside, the color scheme continues with the pinks and the blues. Very tropical, Caribbean-esque.
Makes me want to go to Key West.
Yeah, very Key West. Oh, check this out. So even the tables that are ADA accessible are marked. Oop, get my shadow out of the way. With a little symbol. So this is where you can pull your wheelchair up to. Here's the stage. And the gift shop's back there. That's weird that the gift shop is actually part of the dining space. And on the back side of Lulu's, if you go down these stairs, check out that view. You could dine out here with the waterway view. This is nice. This is really nice. Got your fans, got your TV and speakers. They're not open at the moment. That's why I'm just kind of wandering around and no one's eating yet. They don't open for another hour, I believe. And look at here, there's another really old nice tree for shade. That's the swing bridge there. That bridge over there rotates in case really tall boats have to come through the waterway. I'm liking this. I'm digging this. Now, for those of you who are wondering the price point for this restaurant, it's comparable to Margaritaville. You're looking at a $15 to $20 entree, and then you're going to be buying your drinks inside separately. But you're paying for this. This is what you're paying for, really. So this is the intracoastal waterway. You could take this all the way down to the Waccamaw River or into Little River. And here we go, spreading the gumbo love, Lulu's.